Hello, hello, hello. I hope everybody comes back. I have to take this thing out the window because the sun is beaming on my phone and it's making it hot. Okay, let's see. I hope this don't get hot again. Let's see. Let's see. Come on back in the room. Come on back in the room, people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Hope, the diva that crochets, and I'm sitting in the car for Crochet Car Chronicles. Car Crochet Chronicles. Let's see what happened. If I can get y'all back in here. Let's see. I'm back. Niagara, where you at? Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. I don't know who is here. Welcome. It's not. Okay. Hey, Vanita. Yes, Vanita, just call the regular number. Just call the regular number. Let's see. Just call the regular number. Can you hear me? Let me put it in my group. Let me put it on my page. You're welcome. Okay. Let me put it on my page. I hope my people come back. Let me put it on my profile page. Let's see. Hello again, Vicky. Yeah, my internet was acting crazy, and so it went out. So I'm hoping that everybody comes back for a while at least. I know people is handling their day, but I hope everybody comes back. Yes, it is cold outside. Yes, it is cold outside. You outside, Vanita? Buddha had to go to he went to Newark Airport to get his flight. He said he accidentally booked the his flight at Newark Airport, so he had to get up early this morning and take the train to Jersey to go to the Newark, and then the shuttle for the train station to go to Newark Airport. So he had to go to Newark Airport to get on his flight. Hey, Lenise. Yes, it is. I told you my thing says it's 28 degrees. So yes, it is cold out there. Come on back in the room, people. We are back for part 2 of Car Crochet Chronicle. Or Crochet. Which one sound better? Crochet Car Chronicles. I don't want people to think I'm crocheting a car. So this is what I'm saying. I don't know which way to say. And you know, I just noticed it's after 12 and the guy didn't even, the street cleaner didn't even come down the block, and nobody's moved their car. And I called yesterday and it said alternate side of the street parking was suspended was in effect for today. So I don't understand, not one person has moved their car. But see, if I didn't come to my car, I would have got a ticket. Welcome back, Tracy. If I didn't come to my car, I would have got a ticket. If you haven't clicked the like button on my page, Please click the like and follow button. Please click the like and follow button on the page. Please click the like and follow button on the page if you haven't already. Car Crochet Chronicles, okay. Car Crochet Chronicles, okay. So that's what our show, our Monday and Thursday show is going to be called Car Crochet Chronicles. That's what the show is going to be called, Car Crochet Chronicles. Please spread the love. Lanice, you must be on lunch too. Tracy, when did that piece drop, Tracy? Because I'm so mad because it was there the day before yesterday was there, and I don't know why I didn't buy it. Hey, Carol, how are you? I don't know why I didn't buy it. And then I thought I bought it, and then when I looked, I didn't get it. I'm so mad because that's the same piece I think that came in the holiday kit, the Christmas kit, and I didn't get that. So I was so mad. I was so mad. The one I asked you, did you have it? You said no, Lanice. The one last night. Okay, they learning coding. That's good. That is excellent that they learning coding. I'm in the car crocheting too on my live. See, this man ain't got no hat on, ain't got no hair on his head. Jacket wide open. It's 28 degrees outside, people. It's 28 degrees outside. How you walking in the street, no hat on? Cause I showed you the other guy before. The other guy before, I think because I showed you him, that's why the daggone phones are acting crazy. I mean the internet. The guy walking around here with no daggone no coat on. He just had on a sweatshirt, a sweatshirt. And Lisa said he didn't have a shot or something. He had something. It's 28 degrees outside. What Tracy said? I got it that night. I missed new releases that day. It looked like that piece that was in the Christmas kit, if I can remember. Tracy, how many did you get? Because I told Jessica, I had asked Jessica because she was back, I was going to help her and buy a piece from her. You said he's hot. So I asked her, did she have it? She was like, no, but I want them. So I told her to contact you. I don't know if she contacted you or not. They are homeless. They are homeschooled. Homeschool group and is participating. It's free 6-week course. I love free and educational too. They need to offer it for me. I would go take it. That's a skill that they'll be able to use in this world at this time. Coding, yes. I'll go to the library and learn it too. I just want to learn how to step. You only have 2 left. Well, I don't know if she contacted you, but remember, I hope that too. She didn't. She probably will, because I don't know if she saw my message, because when I responded back, she hadn't looked at it. You could reach out to her and say, Hope said you wanted some. I got 2 left. It's Jessica from our team, the one that's under Vanita. Did y'all get the lanyard that got the hearts on it? I think that's gonna be good. No, they dropping. Hi, Charmaine. They are dropping jewelry for the ooh, he kind of really close here. The UPS guy. I know he be flying around like crazy, but I reach out my window, I could touch the car. I mean the truck. What was I saying? Oh, they dropping jewelry for Valentine's Day, so pay attention. Yes, I'm better, Charmaine. Thank you for asking. So make sure y'all pay attention. They dropping jewelry. Those hearts, all of that heart stuff is for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start showing mine like near the end of the month. Okay, thank you. Hi Laura, Happy New Year. I'm glad you told me about that. I'ma check. Thank you. Thank you, Laura. Yeah, well, I don't have a Valentine, so it ain't no whoop whoop for me. No Valentines over here. Ain't had no Valentine in a long time. Now I hope this man don't leave all this stuff outside, cause these people, they are crazy. The UPS driver told my mother that people be driving around following the cars to see if they leave the stuff so they could come and pick it up. Thank you, Laura. Thank you. This one barely got on the jacket. The other one ain't have no hat on. The other one didn't have on the jacket at all. Where he going? Because he got a whole bunch of packing. I hope he don't leave the people. Let me tell you, one time they left a big box sitting right out here. I don't know what was in the box because it wasn't my stuff to find out. But they left a big box sitting out here. Let me see. Did you finish? Let me tell you about that. I took that. Well, I ain't take it out yet. I'm going to take it out. And I started over in a different color. That's this color. Don't judge me. I started over in a different color. Let me turn this down some. Because it's starting to get hot. The sun is beaming. It's starting to get hot. Hi, Shishi. You feel better, Shishi? Don't judge me, Laura. Don't judge me. I started it all over in a different color. Uh-oh. I just noticed a mistake. Well, you're going to see it. It's almost finished. It's almost finished, so you're going to see. It is almost finished. I got a blanket. I gotta finish. Let me turn off this heat for a little while. In the meeting, clicked the video, thought it was on silent. They was like, "Who is talking? Show love, Showing love, I will watch the replay. Okay, no problem. You about to get in trouble at the meeting. Why would you think the video is silent? You know I be running my mouth. Hey Rena, where you at, Rena?